Did you know that a clean engine can actually help your car run cooler, last longer, and even make it easier to spot problems before they turn into expensive repairs? Yup, engine bay detailing isn't just for show, it's smart maintenance. If you've ever popped the hood and thought, yikes, how do I even begin to clean this mess? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform your dirty engine into a clean, shiny masterpiece in just 5 minutes. No complicated tools, no scrubbing for hours. Just a fast, effective method that actually works. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right product. Picking the right cleaner is like choosing the right sidekick for a superhero. Get it wrong, and you're in for a messy disaster. Forget the aisle full of mystery bottles with aggressive names and questionable scents. For this job, you want something that works smart, not hard. Look for a high-quality automotive-safe degreaser that's designed to break down grime without breaking your engine. My go-to recommendation? A non-diluted, paint-safe, plastic-safe, chrome-safe cleaner that doesn't ask for backup like brushes or elbow grease. This miracle worker does all the heavy lifting. You just spray and watch the gunk surrender. And yes, don't cheap out here. Think of it as an investment in your car's health and your weekend sanity. Oh, and bonus points if it's biodegradable, because who says you can't save the planet and clean your engine at the same time? Step 2. Cover essential components. Before you go full Rambo with the cleaning spray, let's talk protection. And no, not the kind you find in awkward health class discussions. Your engine has a few delicate areas that don't appreciate a surprise shower, especially the alternator. It's basically the nervous system of your car's electrical flow, and if it gets soaked, let's just say your car might start acting possessed. Or not start at all. Cover it up with something simple, a plastic shopping bag, a piece of cling wrap, or even an old sock if you're feeling thrifty. Just make sure it's snug and dry. While the alternator is the main one to protect, give a quick glance at other sensitive electronics too, like exposed fuse boxes or aftermarket wiring. If something looks like it shouldn't go swimming, give it a little raincoat. Remember, we're cleaning the engine, not baptizing it. Step 3. Spray the cleaner. Alright, it's showtime. It's time to hit your engine bay with the cleaning solution. Grab your trusty spray bottle and generously mist the entire engine compartment, from the valve covers to the battery tray, and everything in between. Don't be shy. You want the cleaner to get into all those greasy nooks and crannies where grime has been partying for years. The key here isn't to drench the engine like you're putting out a fire, it's more of a full, even coating. Think marinating a steak, not power washing a sidewalk. Let the cleaner work its magic while you admire your car and wonder why you didn't do this sooner. And here's the beautiful part. No brushes, no scrubbing, no drama. This isn't a gym workout, it's engine cleaning, 2000 style. Step 4. Let it sit for 1 minute. Now that your engine is fully coated in cleaner, here comes the hardest part of the entire process. Waiting 1 whole minute. Yep, just 60 seconds. That's all the time this magic potion needs to loosen years of built-up grime, dust, and fast food parking lot shame. Use this moment to sip your coffee, scroll your phone, or stare dramatically at your car like you're in a commercial. Just don't wander off. Leaving the cleaner on too long can lead to streaks or residue, and nobody wants that. Treat this like cooking pasta. Al dente is perfect. Overdone is a mess. Step 5. Rinse thoroughly. Time to wash all that grime and your worries away. Grab a regular garden hose and start rinsing down the engine bay. No need for a pressure washer here. We're cleaning, not stripping paint or launching spark plugs into orbit. A gentle, steady flow of water is all it takes to flush out the cleaner and the now loosened dirt. Be thorough, like suspicious detective in a crime drama thorough. You want to rinse every corner and crevice to make sure no cleaner is left behind. If you skimp on the rinse, that magical degreaser could leave behind a chalky residue, and that's not exactly the fresh, detailed look we're going for. Also, quick reminder, Now's the time to remove that bag covering the alternator. Don't forget it, or you'll be answering questions like, why is there a balloon in my engine bay? Step 6. Dry the engine bay. Now that your engine's looking squeaky clean and refreshed, it's time to dry things off before your spark plugs start swimming lessons. The goal here isn't to get it bone dry like Grandma's Thanksgiving turkey. Just remove as much excess water as possible, especially from flat surfaces and tight corners where puddles like to hang out. The best tool for this? Anything that blows air. Seriously. A shop vac on exhaust mode, a leaf blower, or even your kid's toy rocket fan. Just give everything a good blast to chase out that water hiding in the cracks. Follow that up with a quick wipe using a clean microfiber cloth or shop rag to catch leftover droplets, especially on plastic covers and trim. You'll be amazed at how quickly everything starts to gleam. Final step. Alright, moment of truth. Time to fire it up. Don't worry if you see a bit of water mist flying off the belts like your engine's doing its own mini car wash commercial. That's totally normal. What matters is that everything's dry enough to run smoothly and safely. Let the engine idle for a minute or two, then take your ride out for a nice 10 to 15 minute drive. Not only does this help evaporate any leftover moisture from hard to reach spots, but let's be honest, it's a great excuse to go for a little joyride and admire your clean engine from a safe distance. After your drive, open the hood and prepare to be impressed. That once dusty, grease-stained engine bay now looks showroom fresh, all without hours of scrubbing or fancy detailing gear. If you found this helpful, or at least mildly entertaining, drop a like, leave a comment if you've got questions or tips of your own, and don't forget to subscribe for more car care hacks and time-saving tricks.